If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look them in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak up high. Yeah, I made it. I'm the world's greatest. I'm that little bit of hope. When my back's against the rope, I can feel it. I'm the world's greatest.
I'm that star up in the sky.
Hey.
I'm that mountain peak up high.
Hey.
I
Made it.
I made it. I'm the world's greatest.
Oh, okay. So when somebody asks you who you are, what is your response? Do you even know who you are? And are you confident enough to stand up tall and look them in the face and tell them who you are? See, that's why self-discovery is so important. Because it's not only the process of discovering oneself, but it's a process of reclaiming back your power, your confidence, and your voice. So, this video is going to be short because as y'all guys can see, they all up in the video, which ain't a problem, but they can only last 3 minutes tops, okay? Before they start making noises and crying. But they know what and doing stuff like that. So next time somebody tries to tell you who you are, if it does not align with who you are, you better 1, return to sender.
Stand up tall, look them in the face and say,
2, yes. And 3, keep on pushing and moving forward. Don't let them stop you. Don't let them deter you. Don't let them make you second guess yourself. Okay? Because claim it. Because you have the power to claim it. Claim who you are. I am confident. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am unique. I am happy. I am worthy.
I'm 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 worthy. I'm spiritual with myself.
You're in tune with yourself?
I'm spiritual with myself.
I don't think that makes sense, but okay.
I'm connected to the universe.
Yes. You're not eating Baby Bop. See, I don't know what you're thinking right now, but Baby Bop is close. I say all that to say though, redefine yourself. Hey. Stop. Redefine yourself. And make sure your definition is written out to the fullest of who you were created to be. Peace out.